Okay, this is the Mayan numeration system. It's base 20, and the place values you're going to use for this are 1, 20, 360, and 7,200. So here is going to be the chart for 0 through 19, and this one does have a symbol for 0, and it looks kind of like that. And then 1 through 4, you're just doing tiny dots, so 1 dot for 1, 2 dots for 2. And then when you get to 5, it's going to be a line. So then when you get to 6, you're going to do your 5 plus 1 dot for 6, and then same thing with 7, 8, 9, and then when you get to 10, you're just going to do the 2, 5 lines. And then when you get to 11, you're going to do your 10 plus 1 with your 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dots. And then 5, or 15, it's going to be the 3, 5 lines. So for 1 through 19, it's helpful to just remember that this line is 5. So then when you're converting a number into the Mayan symbols, you're going to take your place values, which is, they're going to be 1, 20, 360, and then 7,200. And then you're going to look at your number and see how many of these can fit. So we can't fit this into 410, so then you move on. So we can fit 360 into 410. So you're just going to subtract minus 360, and then you're going to get 50. So then we could fit 1 360 in there, so we're just going to 1, so we know. And then now we're going to move on to the lesser value, which is 20. So I can fit a 20 in there, so I'm just going to subtract it and then get 30. So that was 120. And then I'm going to subtract another 20 from it because we can still fit more. And then I'm going to get 10. So then I ended up taking 2 20s away. And then we still have 10 left. So then how many ones can we fit inside 10? 10. So then you subtract, and then when you're left from 0, you just figure out how many numbers you took away from each. So I took 10 ones away. And then this is when we're going to look back at this chart and then figure out how to write our symbol. So if we have 10 ones, we're going to draw our 10 like this. And then if we have 2 20s, then we're going to draw 2 for the 2 20s. So I'm just going to do 2 dots on top of that. And then we have 1 360, so I'm just going to draw my 1 right here. So then this symbol is going to be equal to my number, to the number 410 that we had right here. So this is all you're going to do to convert your numbers into the Mayan system.